Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you of how to cash in from GCash to GrabPay wallet, or how to send money from your GCash to your GrabPay wallet. So now, let's start. Open your GCash application and log in your account. And tap Transfer right here. Then scroll down and tap the View All. Scroll down and choose GrabPay. Once you see it, just tap it Friends. Once you're here, enter the amount that you want to cash in, or to send. Enter the recipient's GrabPay wallet account name here. Enter the recipient's GrabPay wallet account number here. Enter your email address for online receipt, but this is optional. Scroll down and tap the Send Money button. Kindly triple check the details, guys. If all the details are correct, then tap the Confirm button to proceed. That's it, friends. Your bank transfer is being processed. You can download this receipt or screenshot for your reference.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.